that's what I like about you. You put me back together when I'm breaking, and that's what I like about you. Yeah, I just wanted you to stick around, 'cause no one's ever seen the good in me like you do. Our secret smiles across the crowded room. I used to be a ghost, I floated through the world, never getting close, so I'll never get burnt. You came and woke me up with your electricity. Oh baby, can't you see? I just wanted you. I just wanted you. I just wanted you. You don't know how to say what's on your mind. You don't think anything through, but that's what I like about you. Caught me off guard, and I love the way it feels. I used to be a ghost, I floated through the world, never getting close, so I never get burnt. You came and woke me up with your electricity. Oh baby, can't you see? I just wanted you. I just wanted you. I just wanted you. Through all fears away to just embrace this lightness we were made to snap together, trying to catch the moments before they fade and slip away, 'cause everything's gonna change, but baby, I just wanted you. I just wanted you. I used to be so lost, I floated through a fog, always so unsure, never knowing what I want. You came and woke me up with your electricity. Oh baby, can't you see? I just wanted you. I just wanted you. Through all fears away to just embrace this madness we were made to snap together, trying to catch the moments before they fade away, 'cause everything's gonna change, but baby, I just wanted you.
This is the way you left me, I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. Then live the rest of our life, but not together.
Wake up in the morning, stumble on my life. Can't get no love without sacrifice. If anything should happen, I guess I wish you well. A little bit of heaven, but a little bit of hell. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. No hope of love or glory, happy endings gone forevermore. I feel as if I'm where you stand, and I'm where you stand every day.
This is the way you left me, I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. This is the way that we love, like it's forever. Then live the rest of our life, but not together.
2 o'clock in the morning, something's on my mind. Can't get no rest, keep walking around. If I pretend that nothing ever went wrong, I nights in my sleep I can think that we just carried on. This is the hardest story that I've ever told. No hope alone.